Oh, let's go! Let's capture this since 2020.
Tropical storm watch has been upgraded to a tropical storm warning for the following area in Massachusetts, eastern Essex.
Yes! Again.
A tropical storm watch has been upgraded to a tropical storm warning for the following areas in Maine, coastal Cumberland, Waldo, coastal York, Knox, Lincoln and Saginaw, and in New Hampshire, coastal Rockingham.
Bro, what?
Tropical storm warning in effect. What? Northwest winds 20 to 30 knots with gusts up to 55 knots and seas 13 to 18 feet. Where? Castle Bay and coastal waters from Cape Elizabeth, Maine to Merrimack River, Massachusetts out 25 nautical miles. When? Friday night and Saturday. Hazardous conditions. Remain in port, seek safe harbor, alter course, and or secure the vessel for severe conditions. Now for the